Welcome to another Load Force product in focus. Let's take a look at our Weld-on Safety Chain Brackets. These come in two sizes, 2.5 tonne and 4.5 tonne rated. This is the larger 4.5 tonne rated bracket, which has been predominantly designed for use with herc-alloy chain on trailers with a GVM greater than 3.5 tonne. As per the ADRs, you cannot weld herc-alloy chain to the trailer drawbar. The way to attach herc-alloy chain to the trailer is using one of these weld-on chain brackets. Herc-alloy chain is a short link chain, and you can see the pin will not pass through the short link. Therefore, you need a rated chain connector as shown here. The weld-on chain brackets are designed with the pin loose so that you can weld this in position after assembling. We also designed this smaller 2.5 tonne bracket. Customers with trailers with a GVM of less than 3.5 tonne use standard rated long link trailer safety chain. They like the flexibility of not having to use the chain connector to the bracket. You can see here that type of setup with the bow shackle and the chain. Load Force products are sold Australia-wide at a growing number of trailer and auto stores and through Trailer Spares Direct.